Hi there, welcome back to the Boomer's Tech Show. I'm Bertrand, and today we're going to check something very important, your iPhone battery's health. If you've been noticing your battery doesn't last as long as it used to, it might be time to check how healthy it is. It's super easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to show you some tips that will help you to make that battery last longer. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to grab your iPhone and then you want to open it up to the Settings app. Now the Settings app is going to be that gray app that looks like a cogwheel on your phone, and tap on it. Now, once you're in your setting, you're going to want to scroll down until you see battery. It's got a little green icon next to it. Go ahead and tap on that bad boy. Now you'll notice you're going to see where it says battery health. Tap on it. And this is going to tell you everything that you need to know about your battery. For example, my battery health is normal. The maximum capacity for my battery is 92%. And I have a cycle count of 298 cycles. And there it is. Now, if you have something lower than 80%, then you might start to experiencing some problems with your battery. So now that you know what your battery health is, if you don't need to change it, then let's figure out some ways that we can maximize the battery. So let's look at 3 tips. One of the biggest battery drainers is your screen's brightness. Did you know that you can manually adjust it to save power? Here's how. So you want to swipe down from the top right of your screen and then tap on that thing that looks like a sun. Now this will either increase or decrease the brightness. That's one way. Now if you want some advanced features on that, tap on the icon itself. Now you'll notice that you have other things that you can do. You can go into dark mode by tapping on it. You can go into night shift by tapping on it. Or you can go to true tone by tapping on it. Now the one that's going to save you the most power will be the dark mode. For even more savings, you can turn on auto brightness, which adjusts it based on your surroundings. Here's how to do that. So again, you want to go to your settings, and then you want to find accessibility and tap on it. Now you're going to want to scroll down until you see display and text size and tap on it. Now you're going to want to scroll all the way down to where it says auto brightness and tap on it. Now you will be able to save a whole lot of battery power because it will automatically set the brightness. Just that small change can make a big difference in your battery's life. Tip number 2. Next up is a feature called Background App Refresh. It lets your apps update themselves even when you're not using them. But this can drain your battery quickly. So let's turn it off for all apps that you don't need constantly refreshing. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings and tap on it. Scroll down to where it says General and tap on it. Now scroll down to where it says Background App Refresh and tap on it. Now these are all of the apps that will be refreshed in the background. Now one way you can turn this off is by tapping them and turning them off individually, or you can tap on where it says Background App Refresh and turn all of them off by tapping off. Now let's move on to the last but not least. iPhone has a handy feature called low power mode, which automatically reduces the power consumption when your battery gets low. You can turn it on manually to save battery even before your phone gets too low. Here's how to do it. Go to settings and tap on battery, and then tap on low power. It's perfect. When you know you'll be out for a long day and want to make sure that your battery will last. So there you have it. Those are my top 3 tips to help you to save battery on your iPhone. Try them out and let me know in the comment section how they work for you.